first sight of you.
I can't believe it! I'm a dog! I can bark! I can't believe it! Oh! I can't believe it! I can't believe it! Oh god! What the fuck?
Never again will I buy Asian bullshit.
Oh god! I can't believe it! Oh god! Let's do it!
How do I open this?
Fuck! Let's do it today! Woo!
Dokumentación today.
And now Toadsworth with how to insert a battery into your brand new gimbal.
Stick it in there. A bag!
We have the documentaciones today.
Look at the pretty lights. Look at the pretty lights.
Warranty, battery, Osmo shield. Can you believe it? This thing is so good. It comes from the home world of Protas, Ayer.
Ah! It's the GoPro!
Graduate, get a cap and a gown.
What's over there? What's over there? What's over there? Let's just fucking open it already, fuck!
Look, guys, we have the new GoPro today. Woo! It goes up to 4K and 12 megapixel camera, and that's all you care about.
Nothing's gonna ever keep you down.
I didn't know this. It comes with a battery. Oh, I'm a dog. I can bark. Bark. This is how you open it today. Oh, you can't see because of my fat hand. Oh, no care today. It's so hot today. It's like my dick.
Really, nigga?
You open it like somehow. Let me see this bullshit. Look. I'm so weak. Oh, that hurts. Like that. Ben Chod, that's how you open it. Like that. And like this. And like this. Goodbye, Doc. You will be missed. Oh my God!
Nothing's gonna ever keep you down.
What the fuck? What the fuck, man?
Damn, nigga, this is...
This is gonna be my first unboxing. I'm not going to do unboxing. Wow. On a serious note, look at this shit. I don't have this white shit, guys. Fucking A. Here you go. I made a new friend. Her name is White Girl.